The Sweden J-log cabin can be built on a 4 by 7 meter footprint but gives you 35 square meters of useful space. This log cabin works well as a spacious garden room with additional sleeping places on its loft for visiting friends or family. Kids love the den-like loft space, or it also works well as a rental cabin on your property or glamping site. Standard cabin kit features 70 mm wall thickness, strengthening metal rods in walls as well as metal storm braces inserted throughout the entire wall to ensure great stability and a very long lifespan. This cabin kit also features high-quality double-glazed doors and windows, extra thick 28 mm floorboards, 90 mm pressure-treated foundation beams, 18 mm roof boards, loft ladder and all metal fixings. All wooden parts of this cabin are made from carefully selected Nordic spruce.